Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is to introduction and introduction of basics ICT skills. ICT means Information and Communication Technology Skills 1. So let us start with it. So ICT is currently taking center stage in everyday lives. It helps to spread information easily around the world and plays an important role in a new global economy. So several positive and some negative social impacts of IT could be far reaching. IT has already had many direct beneficial effects on society, being used for complicated human and social problems such as a medical diagnosis, computer assisted instructions, government program planning, environmental quality control, law enforcement, and many more. So let us see about introduction. The full form of ICT is Information and Communication Technology. ICT consists of information technology as well as communication technology. It is also known as a digital literacy. ICT takes place or up takes up knowledge of how computer work as well as how different computer communicate. So when you think about ICT, then you will find each and every field or each and every business uses the ICT. So is an extended synonym as an umbrella term which contains both IT as well as communication technology. It includes any communication device or application such as a radio, television, cellular phones, computer, network hardware, software, satellite system, and so on. Also, various services and application associated with them, such as a video conferencing, distance learning, ICT are often spoken of in a particular context, such as a ICT in education, healthcare, or libraries. The C in ICT stands for communication of data over some distance by electronic mean. This is achieved by use of network connecting different hardware to send and receive data like personal computers, digital television, etc. Networks are further divided into LAN, usually link with an office building and wide area network. A very common example of WAN is the internet, which is connected over a vast distance. So ICT, then see about what is the role of ICT. So ICT has become an important part of everyday life for many people. It has a great impact on daily life also. In every walk of life, the computerization of work is getting more and more prevalent. There is no public that does not use the computers. So ICT facilities innovation, free information, creative expressions, and effective management. Uh, so in a case of education also, the ICT has tremendously increases. So nowadays also you can see that with the help of ICT, online teaching is going on. So it is ICT system are used in number of environments such as educational institutes, offices, shops, factories, aircraft, ships, etc. There are also in fields such as communication, farming, medicine, research. In all these fields, there is a use of ICT. So let us see about education. In case of education, ICT used for to research as a reference tool to collect and process data for school administrators. In case of banking, can make any transactions at any time, save time by using online services. Bank administrators can oversee the entire banking activity. Other sectors such as agriculture, arts, government, healthcare, home, travel, transportation. In case of industries, ICT is used for workers use machine connected to computer. Researchers use to analyze and collect research data. Administrators use to detect specific error. Then in case of e-commerce, make bulling and selling activities easier. Customer connect online with supplier to purchase product. Then see about ICT in personal life. In personal life, there are various examples of ICT. First one is education. Nowadays, most of schools and higher education institutions have computers in classroom for teachers and students. Banking. Today in banking sector, computer controls the entire banking system and also includes electronic banking services. The services include check deposit, electronic fund transfer, direct deposit, pay by phone system. Then the next one, some of the applications are there. So vehicle tracking, routing, delivery schedule, radio frequency, barcoding, inventory management, address system, freight auditing, supplier management, etc. Then see about the e-commerce. So e-commerce making buying and selling activities easier, more efficient and faster. In the e-commerce, you can pay your bill online, transfer money between account online, order food through smartphone or computer. Communication and social media, you can get connected with family, relatives or colleagues via the electronic mail, Yahoo Messenger, video conference, etc. Next, think about the teaching and learning. There are online services and apps like YouTube, G Suite for education, Microsoft Finance, and many other important issues which help us to improve and enrich our lives. Personal health care. One can search for the learn about diseases, their symptoms, cure, and precautionary measures on the internet. Entertainment and the art. Internet is used as a medium for the distribution of music, video and other content on mobile phone as well as smart TV. So nowadays you can see that there are various platforms which are providing online movies, online web series or online videos, such as there is a Hotstar is there which provides cricket lives. Then there are so many. Disney Hotstar is there which provides new movies. Then there are Netflix is there. So many platforms are there which are used for entertainment and the arts. Connectivity to civil facilities. Services such as a tax payment, ordering LPG cylinder, and finding information about government schemes has been made possible because of ICT. Uh, so then you can see about various personal roles are there. So we can read our local newspaper using online newspaper. You can get connected with your families, relative, colleagues. You can watch interactive programs like movies, game, amazing fact using TV, smartphones, computers, tablet and other tools. It can improve quality of human life because it can be used as a learning and education media. It provides wider knowledge and can help in gaining and accessing information. Then the next is ICT in workplace. So in workplace also there are various examples of use of ICT. Some of these are industry. In industry, computers helps to facilitate production planning and control system, or we can call it as a monitoring system. Agriculture. In developing countries, ICT helps farmers to take informed and quality decisions. So in case of various farming also, the automated systems are used, and which are all depends on the computer, such as providing water to the crops, then spraying the insecticides, providing fertilizers through water. All these systems are there which are uses the ICT. Then media services. ICT helps in hospital management, administration, and to help doctor and nurses to diagnose, treat and monitor patient. So for example, you can see about a sonography center where the use of a hardware device is there and it is connected to the computer, which will generate reports or which will shows a live video about the that particular patient also. Then the next one, you can see about the ICT tools. So ICT tools are digital infrastructure which include computer, laptop, desktop, data projector, software programs, scanner and interactive teaching box. In that mobile, it was primarily meant to make calls. Tab, it is a shorter form of computer tablet. Radio, is the oldest tool and provides entertainment to masses to great extent in recent past. Newspapers, press or newspaper is the most important ICT tool. Thank you.